Okay, so here we are, Avalanche Peak Track. Pretty much pure vertical. It's going to be about 4 hours up, about 3,000 feet up, and 3,600 even better.
Oh my God.
So we just came out of the tree line. We've come up about 500 meters and just got out into the mountain views here. It's a long way down, that's for sure. Okay, so we made it to the peak of Avalanche Peak. Peak of Avalanche Peak, and I'm going to show you the view from here. Pretty freaking amazing.
I've got vertigo.
All the way around. Look at that. Amazing. There's a glacier over here too. Amazing, look at that.
I just keep falling.
So there's the summit right there that we came from. We've come down all along here, and then you can kind of look out here a little bit at the beautiful view. It's absolutely amazing. And then the trail continues on down this way, down back towards the parking lot. Here's just an overview of the hike we did today. We started here, and then we went all the way up to the peak, and then back down, and we're here right now. We're almost all the way back down to the road, and then we'll zip across back. So we made it all the way back down to the road, end of the trail. Okay, we made it to the end. High five, woohoo! Good job, high five.
Hey, way to go.
We're back to civilization, woohoo! Yay!
Good stuff.